Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th, chapter 12, Smart Charts, part 1. Students, what you're going to learn from this video? From this video, you will be able to learn how to solve the question Chi Chi Meow Meow from your textbook. The textbook page number 159 has an activity Chi Chi Meow Meow. Now here one girl is there, Yamini. Yamini has done one project and the name of her project is Animals and Birds. Now this project is regarding that pet animals or maybe the pet birds. Yamini is actually going to school and that's why she is having her all classmates, all class students which are sitting together and they are studying together. What she did, everyone on rest of the all classes students are also getting the project. But the project what Yamini has got is Animals and Birds. In this project, she has to do the survey. That means to study that these children of the class, if they are allowed to keep one pet, maybe an animal or maybe a pet bird, then which animal or which bird they will like to keep as a pet. So she asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. So she went to each and every student of the class from roll number 1 till the roll number last, and she asked them that which animal do they like or do that person like to keep as a pet. Now she usually telemarks to record each answer. Now she has already written some of the names on the paper, and just in front of the name, when she used to go to each and every child, she used to put the telemark on in front of that pet animal or maybe bird. For example, if someone said cat, she means 5 cats. In all, 24 children said cats were their favorite animal. So help Yamini now to complete the table. This is the question, students. And here is the telemark table. Students, you can see this, cats. And these are the telemarks. Now let me explain you about the telemarks. Students, when telemarks of these kind of boxes are there, just listen. If one line is there, it relates 1. If 2 lines of the box are drawn, then it relates the number 2. If 3 lines of the box is made, then it means 3. And if one whole 4-sided box is made, we call it as 4. But if the box is having one diagonal in, then it is called as 5. But suppose if other than 5 you have one more, then it is called as 6. And if the box with the diagonal have 2 lines more, then it is called as 7. Sorry students. These kind of lines are not made. For 6 they are putting one line and 6, and for 2 line they will make another box, it will go on making as 7. Now students, I am making it here. Let us understand here that if the box is made with 3 lines like this, it will be 8, And if the box is made with 4 whole box, that is 5 and 4 together makes 9. Understood? And if it is 2 boxes full, then it is 5 plus 5, that is 10. And then again, if you're going to put one line, it will be 11, and so on. I hope, student, you understood all this. Now student, let us count now. See, you can see this. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, and this is 4. So 5 4s are 20, plus 4 will give you 24. Now 5, correct? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. How many 5s are there? 6 5 are there. So 5 6 are 30, and you have 2 lines here more, that is 32. Could you see the tally marks written here? Right? Now we'll go for the next one, that is 5 and 5. 5 2s are 10. So written 10 here. Next we will go 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So 5 4s are 20, and 2 lines more. So plus 2. It will be 22. Written correctly. Next is this one, that is 5 and plus 3, that is 8. Written correctly. Now 5 1 2 3 4. 5 4s are 20. Written correctly. Next is 5 3s are 15. Written correctly. Now students, we have to add these all numbers. So when we do the addition, see, 24, 32, 10, 22, 8, 20 and 15. So 8 and 2 makes 10, correct? 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 4 19, 20 and 21. So 2 carried over and 1 written down. Now 2 and 2 4, plus 3 7, 8, plus 2 10, plus 2 12 and 1 13. So the total is also correct. Okay students, so you might have understood that how the tally marks are being seen. Now let us go to answer the questions which are just below the question, that is tally mark table. First question is, look at the tally marks and write the numbers of each animal in the table. How many children in all did Yamini talk to? Now students, we had seen for cats we counted the number 24, for dogs 32, for rabbits 10, for cows 22, for parrots 8, for goats 20, and for squirrels 15. Okay. Now total also we had done. This is the total 131, correct? Now Yamini talked to 131 children. Now which is the most favorite pet animal in this table? So the number which is the greatest, see, among these all numbers, the greatest number is 32. That means when Yamini asked to her classmates, most of them were actually liking dog to keep it as a pet. So the number of dogs and the tally marks are more than any other animal in the tally table. So student, for Yamini's class, which is the most favorite animal to keep as a pet? It is dog. So we will write down dog is the most favorite animal in this table. Now student, the last question 10, you have to do it on your own. As I had done, so I have written the answer, that which pet will you like to have and what will you name it, and which other animals can be kept at your home. You have to discuss this. So when I was asked, even I like to keep dog as a pet and I will name it as a tiger. We can also keep cats, parrots as pet, and if we live in cities, we can keep cows and goats also if we live in a village. I hope students, you have understood all these questions of the Chichi Meow Meow topic. We are going to meet soon with another video. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.